Kyoto is 1,200 years old. Ace Hotel arrived in 2020. Does that math even work? This building was a telephone exchange in 1926. Now, we're covering the lobby, the rate, and what's just outside the door. 4 stops that frame what a stay here actually costs you, including the one alternative that changes the whole calculation. Worth the rate? Let's walk through it, room by room, block by block. The lobby was built in 1926. The 1926 structure stayed. Ace layered in washi panels and warm brass around it. The lobby earned its Shinkenchiku award. Texture does the talking here. The all-day cafe draws Kyoto locals as reliably as it draws arriving guests. Order the coffee. Sit at the long counter. Watch the city move past the glass. The washi panels filter the light into something close to gold by mid-afternoon. It doesn't read as a hotel lobby trying to be a cafe. It reads as a cafe. 5 blocks, 5 generations. Nishiki Market is a covered arcade about 10 minutes on foot from the hotel. Some of these tofu vendors have held their stalls since the Edo period. Pickled plum, grilled mochi, fresh yuba. The smells layer on top of each other. Arrive before 10 a.m. The market belongs to locals at that hour, not visitors. This is the city's pantry, and it has been open since before your hotel existed. The lanes are narrow, open, free, remarkably calm. The Imperial Palace Park sits about 15 minutes north of the hotel on foot. The grounds are open to everyone. No ticket, no queue, no audio guide required. Wide gravel paths cut through old pine and camphor. The scale surprises first-timers. Even at peak season, the park absorbs the crowd. City noise drops away quickly. This is where Kyoto exhales. Best experienced early, before the practical note. Ace Hotel Kyoto sits in Karasuma, central and very walkable. Nishiki Market is roughly 12 minutes southeast on foot. Go before 10 a.m. Consider one Ryokan night in Higashiyama. It reframes everything else on the trip. Ace rooms start around 40,000 yen per night. Book direct for the best available rate. The cafe opens at 7 a.m. Use it before the city fully wakes. That early hour is the one move worth writing. Ace Hotel Kyoto occupies that 1926 telephone exchange in the Karasuma corridor. Rooms run spare and considered. The design integrity extends well past the lobby. Upper floors frame Kyoto's low roofline in a way that holds. Kyoto doesn't resist Ace Hotel. It simply holds its own beside it. The city is old enough to absorb a well-made lobby without losing its shape. The question was whether it belongs. It does, partially. Book one night at Ace, one in Higashiyama. Hyunei the real answer. More hotel deep dives.